In an industry that is ever-changing, competitive and complex, our mission lies in helping you transform and optimize your flight operations. From takeoff to landing and everything in between, including ground operations. From flight operation staff to pilots and to cabin crew. Our day of operations apps are built to better assist, accurately track and optimize, and effectively communicate across different platforms seamlessly. Ultimately, with those unlocked, operational efficiency is enhanced, on-time performance improved, and our ecological footprint reduced, empowering greater cost savings. At SITA for Aircraft, we're all about transforming your optimization plans into reality. Unlock possibilities today.